Ever found yourself wondering about the financial heartbeat of Canada, specifically the Toronto-Dominion Bank? Maybe you're a seasoned investor, a curious student, or simply someone trying to understand the economic landscape a bit better. Today, we're diving into a question that pops up quite often: what's the price of TD stock in Canada? Now, before we get to the exact numbers, it's important to understand that stock prices are like living, breathing entities. They fluctuate constantly throughout the trading day, influenced by a myriad of factors. Think of it like the ebb and flow of the tide, always moving, responding to the winds and currents of the market. These currents can include the company's financial performance, things like their earnings reports, revenue growth, and overall profitability. If TD announces strong results, you might see positive movement in its stock price. Conversely, any negative news or concerns about the broader economy could lead to a dip. Speaking of the broader economy, macroeconomic factors play a significant role. Interest rates set by the Bank of Canada, inflation figures, and even the overall health of the Canadian and global economies can impact investor sentiment and, consequently, stock prices. For instance, if interest rates are expected to rise, it could make borrowing more expensive for businesses and consumers, potentially affecting bank profits and their stock value. Geopolitical events, while seemingly distant, can also ripple through the financial markets. International trade tensions, political instability in key regions, or even global health crises can introduce uncertainty, leading to volatility in stock prices across various sectors, including banking. So, with all these dynamic forces at play, pinning down an exact, static price for TD stock is like trying to catch a falling leaf. It's constantly changing. However, we can definitely get you the most up-to-date information available right now. As of Friday, April 25, 2025, at approximately 9 a.m. West Africa time, the price of Toronto-Dominion Bank, TD, stock, trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX, under the ticker symbol TD, is hovering around insert real-time stock price here, Canadian dollars. Keep in mind that this is a snapshot in time. By the time you're watching this video, the price will likely have shifted. To get the absolute latest, real-time price, I highly recommend checking reputable financial websites like the official website of the Toronto Stock Exchange, major Canadian financial news outlets, or your preferred brokerage platform. These sources provide up-to-the-minute data that's crucial for anyone tracking or investing in the stock market. Furthermore, if you're interested in understanding the historical performance of TD stock, these financial platforms usually offer charts and data going back days, months, or even years. Analyzing these trends can provide valuable insights into the stock's volatility and overall trajectory, although past performance is never a guarantee of future results. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risk, and the price of any stock, including TD, can go up or down. It's always a good idea to do your own thorough research and consider consulting with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Understanding the factors that influence stock prices, like company performance and broader economic conditions, is a key part of being an informed investor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.